Replace your car title and secure an Arizona title loan fast. Have you lost or damaged your vehicle's title in Arizona? No worries. Replacing it doesn't have to be a headache. In fact, once you secure your replacement, you can use it to qualify for a title loan through Fast Auto Loans Incorporated, giving you access to cash when you need it most. Let's walk you through the steps to replace your car title in Arizona. But first, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our account to stay up to date with the latest regarding car title loans and more. How to replace your car title in Arizona. The process of getting a car title replacement in Arizona is straightforward. You don't need to bring a long list of materials with you. The requirements are simple. What do you need to replace your car title? First and foremost, you will need to provide the title and registration application, also known as Document 96-0236. Ensure you have this form filled out correctly. Along with this application, you will need to include the $4 application fee. You'll also need to bring a copy of your driver's license or another valid form of government-issued photo ID. Preparing these items ahead of time will make the application process a smooth one. Depending on your locality, you might need to bring a few additional items to meet the requirements of your local motor vehicle division. Replacing your car title shouldn't be overwhelming. With just the application form, a small fee, and your ID, you're on your way to securing a replacement. This simple process not only restores your vehicle ownership but also opens the door to potential financing options. At Fast Auto Loans Incorporated of Arizona, you could qualify for car title loans up to $15,000. Visit our website to start your journey to financial freedom. FastAutoLoansInc.com